Today we're going to review how to multiply fractions using a grid. So let's look at a sample multiplication problem. Emily has 2/3 of a pizza left over from last night. She gives half of it to her neighbor for lunch. How much pizza is left over? So while anytime there are pizzas, you might be tempted to use circles, we're actually going to use a rectangle to represent this problem. So we're going to say that our initial shape of our rectangle looks about like this, and that this represents the original pizza. Emily said that there were 2/3 of it left. So we're going to go ahead and shade in 1/3 and 2/3 to show that we have 2/3 of our pizza left. Then Emily has given 1/2 of what's left to her neighbor. So I'm going to divide the whole thing in half, and now I'm shading in the half. Using the grid method, I'm trying to figure out what part is shaded by both pieces. And I see that this section is shaded blue and green. There are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections, and 1, 2 of them are shaded in. So the remaining pizza is 2, 6. Now I could simplify that because I know that 2 and 6 can both be divided by 2 to 1/3. Emily had 2/3 of a pizza left over. She gave half of it to her neighbor for lunch, and now she has 1/3 of a pizza left over. And if we imagine that pizza being erased so that this part was gone from the night before, and then she got rid of this part to her neighbor, you can see that all that's left is this 2/6 or 1/3.